Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Video, it's all about a short ride. It's of 1 or 2 days ride. Max to max, we'll try to keep it in 1 day. I'm carrying few stuffs like these are the sleeping bags in just case we are taking a tent, and we have a tank bag as well from the Guardian Gaze. So rest all things we'll see on the ride.
Well, we've reached. So let's see. Acha, he's already there. Look at the is there. Illena. Okay, it's already loaded. So we'll just stop by and wait for him to come, and then we'll start off the ride. Well, I just picked him up, and we are heading towards the end route where we are planning. And if you see in that bike, so he has the tent on his bike. Using my 1G cards, he has tucked in. So the route is via Hassan. So through Nelmangla we are heading out. I hope most of you guys would have at least guessed this location, at least based on the route which I am telling. Yes, we got late and it's already 5 o'clock. We didn't want to miss the monsoon fog, so we'll try to cover up the time as well. So nothing to worry about. Just telling 2 minutes, I think there will be a sunrise. It's around 6:30 to 6:15, 6:15 to 6:30. And I see there is no barricades. So I am in kind of an area where it's put up in Magdi Road, and there are no barricades from BBMP whatsoever, just to avoid the COVID-19 traveling, for only the essentials. So since the Karnataka government has opened everything, including restaurants, gym and everything, so we have just started. I think gym, I don't have the clarity, but I do have on the temples and the tourism part, which is already open. This was a plan which we had from almost 2 weeks, but I didn't take it seriously. So this was all decided at last night, and even the place is decided last night. Actually the sprocket, the chain sprocket is already gone, and worst part is it is only 11,000, almost 500 kilometers. In that my race sprocket is gone, but still don't blame me guys, because I have already lubed, cleaned thoroughly on the periodic times. But then that's how I think the life comes in. But next time I'll be installing the X-ring based roll-on chain. So the stock comes with a O-ring, a lot of you guys know, and X-ring, because of the less friction, the maintenance is easy. And one more thing is, the friction is less when it tacks on the chain and it goes on the high speed tension on the top speed when you are running your bike. So the tension is very low on the chains. And yeah, again I'll do the periodic maintenance. Let's see what does the life it does get. First toll for the day via Bangalore Hassan Highway. Entering into bike lane. Hope there are no police. I think you can enter district to district, and it feels very good. The inner feeling when you're cruising at, I'm just cruising at 90, but the engine rev, the gear shifting, sixth gear, top end, keeping nice and simple, cruising after long time, not even crossing 70 in the cities because the conditions are so. So I'm feeling very good. Feels like I'm breathing again after a few months. So hope we'll get a good monsoon since we are entering of the monsoon. So we'll see. Crossing the second toll plaza, Devihalli is the place name. So there's an ambulance. Only after these roads, few of the shops are open, where I don't think hygiene will be maintained. But it's up to your will and wish. If you want to take a risk, you can, and if you have sanitizer, it is well and good. So we have bought a pair of sanitizer bottles, so nothing to worry about. Okay, taking a short break. I see a lot of highway hotels are not open, so whoever is having a habit of smoking and everything, it is little difficult to survive. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೋಟ್ಲುಗಳು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯಾವ ಹೋಟ್ಲು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಟ್ಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಂದು ಬಸ್ಸೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಾದ ಯಾರೋ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಅಂಗಡಿನೂ ರೇರೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಊರ ಬಾಗ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಂತ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೀ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ and we are heading out. It's 6:16 and that's just the sunrise for you. I see a couple of bikers moving around. I thought we were the only two guys who are on the road apart from these cars and the trucks. I feel a few of the vehicles. I think we'll be able to reach them in quite some time. Well, it's already 7:20 and this is the fourth toll plaza, final toll plaza for probably today. Yeah, this is from Hassan. Well, you could see lot of small shops are affected here. ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ? The happy news is the place where we are going, we are getting Annadanam from them. This temple never disappoints me. From the childhood where my dad was taking me every year. So we just crossed the city called Hassan and we'll be heading towards, we'll decide whether we have to go through Sakleshpur or the Charmudi Ghat. Depending on weather conditions, we'll try to go, because we can see there are little cloudy. But if it's raining, the Charmudi Ghat is like heaven. And even the Shiradi Ghat road is very good, but it's a concrete road. So a lot of heavy vehicles movements will be there. We'll sort it out, we'll see. Once we reach there, we'll decide. Across the city, we'll get a junction there and then we'll decide. Hope we get a good view and show you guys a good scenery in this video as well. Sakleshpura mele we decided we'll go to via Sakleshpur, because the roads are okay. After Sakleshpur there are little patches over there, But then after that, we get a clean and good sweeping roads where we can cruise around 80 easily. But via Charmudi Ghat, I don't think so, because it's kind of ghat section. Entering the Shiradi Ghat, I'll try to change the angle and get the view covered. So let's go further and connect back. ನಿಂತಿರು ಬಂದೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಟ್ರೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ so from the fun begins now. It's been the thing is since I'm running with the staff. Whoa,